Welcome to this video guys. In this video we are going to see how to download Telegram and install properly. So let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and go to your search box and type desktop.telegram.org and hit enter. It will bring you to this page and here click this button and it will ask where you want to save your file. I am going to save under my desktop and click save. Once your download complete, you can go to your download folder and right click the setup and click open and select your language and click OK and select your installation folder and click next and click next and click next and finally click install. It will take few seconds to complete. That's all for this quick video guys. I hope if you like this video, make sure subscribe and share our videos to everyone that you know, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching.